Sing along with me as we learn our initial consonant blends.
It's spring, Gran plans a walk today. We learn initial blends to lead the way. The sounds don't change, they stay the same. But said as one unit is the name of the game. One tap, you see. Zip those sounds together with me. From the start of the word, let the sound slide. Initial blends are a wonderful guide. Brad and Bridge, Fran and Fred. Think of the words that the story said. Gran grins as the trash drips away. These two sound units help us play. Spring and sprint have three sounds in a row. Triple blends are the way to go. But thrush and shriek have only two. Special blends to help you through. Trish grabs a bridge while fresh winds blow. Cross the bridge and watch that frog go. Proud kids walk and drift past by, blending words under the spring sky. Give the blend one tap, you see. Zip those sounds together with me. From the start of the word, let the sounds fly. Initial blends are a wonderful guide.
Did you like that song? Give it a big thumbs up and play it again with me!